Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can sign in using different Slack workspaces, a must-know skill for all remote workers in 2025. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Slack application on your phone or computer. This is where all the magic happens, as it's the hub for all your workspace communications. Next up, let's go to the top left corner of your Slack application where you'll see your workspace name. Click on it and a menu will appear. Now you're probably wondering why we're doing this. This is because this menu is where you can switch between different workspaces, a handy feature if you're part of multiple teams. Now that we've done that, it's time to click on Sign In to another workspace. This option allows you to add and sign in to another workspace without having to log out of your current one. This is a lifesaver for those who operate across different workspaces simultaneously. You'll then be asked to enter the URL of the workspace you want to sign into. This step is significant because each Slack workspace has a unique URL, ensuring each team's conversations and files stay private and secure. After entering the URL, click Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and password. The reason we do this is to verify your identity and grant you access to the workspace. Finally, click Sign In. This final click allows you to enter the new workspace and start interacting with your team. Let me explain why this matters. In today's digital work environment, you may be part of different teams, each with its own unique workspace. Knowing how to switch between these workspaces on Slack is essential for maintaining seamless communication and staying organized. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to sign in using different Slack workspaces on Slack. Remember, the key is to know your workspace URLs and your login credentials, so keep those handy and you'll be a master at switching between workspaces in no time. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, happy Slacking.